Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First of all, find your Google application on your device, then go into. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, click it and choose settings. Then here need go into Google Assistant option, then scroll down and find here general option, this one. And here need click first switcher to turn off your Google Assistant. Click, confirm operation, click turn off one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.